We're just gonna solve for x. How do we solve for x?
We take away.
We place everything with x on one side and everything without x on the other, right? We try to isolate x, get it by itself.
So you can cancel it,
So I myself also like to work with positive numbers. So I prefer to remove this 8x from here by subtracting 8x. What I do on one side of the inequality sign, I must do to the other. Exactly.
So that's x.
So here it'll cancel out, and 9x minus 8x is x. Yes.
And then minus 7.
Yes. Negative 7 is greater than
8.
8. Exactly.
So we get rid
So
of
it
this
is
one.
greater, and then it is greater.
Now we gotta get rid of this 7,
7.
right? How do
Plus.
you get rid of this negative 7?
Plus
Positive 7.
Positive 7.
7 to then
Both
to
sides.
8.
So what we do on one
We
side,
do
So that one.
we do to the other.
So that will be
Awesome.
15.
So x is greater than 15.
Of course.
Awesome. That's a 5.
So
I swear.
leave it like that, right?
So now to graph it. Remember, when you graph, you don't have to put your 0 right in the middle. You can put your 0 out here. And that'll be on -1 just to show. 1, 2, 3, whatever. But in this case, our x is greater than 15. So our scale, we want to
15.
make it so that 15 is somewhere around here. So you put maybe 15 here, 14 here, 13 here. Just to show something before it
And then you go
and some after, right?
and you
So forth.
draw it.
So x is strictly greater than. That means at 15, I'm not making a dot. I'm making a circle.
Open circle.
Yep. And then I'm highlighting everything after that.
And that's
So, first of all, why is it negative? How is this line running? Remember, we reread from left to right. So, is this line rising or is it dipping?
No, dipping.
It's dipping. So that's why the slope, your m, is going to be negative, right? We know that the slope
But
is
it's
going
on
to
the
be negative.
positive side, though.
Yeah. You read. Okay, this line goes to infinity up that way too.
Oh,
You know
got
what
it.
I'm saying?
All right.
So you read from left to right, so it's coming down. So that's why the slope is negative. So what are going to be your values? But remember that slope is rise over run, right?
Yeah.
Where in that case here, since our slope is negative, it's really dip, right? Dip over run is dipping. So it's going from this point, how many down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 down. So we got a -5,
5.
right? And then it goes, it runs how many? 3, right?
So
1,
5
2,
down,
3. Boom. That's your slope.
I just didn't know why it was negative. That's what I knew.
Wait.
Well, if you're coming
Show me how you
down
did the 5 again. 'Cause I
the
know.
5,
Alright.
from this point, you're going down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, got it.
5.
Oh, I knew that.
Right?
I really did though. I just thought that he literally went through the line.
No. And you want to go through, you know what I'm saying? Like, if this was graph paper, you would notice that these other points here, like if I only went twice down, this wasn't really on the corner, of the box, right? So when you're reading, you want to be on the corner of the box. So if you come down, you will come down or go up until you see that your x also is going to line up in a corner. So that way you can count it as a unit.
Got it.
Cool?
Hi, father.